Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca, and today we are going to make some cute little Easter baskets or gift baskets or catch-all basket, whatever you want to use them for. Look how cute they are. It's just fun. These take just a few minutes to make. You can make them with snaps. You need 4 sets of snaps. You can make them with rivets for a more permanent thing. I have that riveted on. Snaps, the handle, with or without the handle. You can take the handle off. You don't have to use a handle at all. They're cute just as is without the handles. You're going to get several sizes. This is the 8x8 size. Look at all the clips it holds. Anyways, cute, fun. This one is made with rivets and a strap that I can take off. You're going to get 2 different size straps too. So the smaller baskets will use the 7-inch strap, and the larger baskets I have a 9-inch strap. It's preference. I just added them in there because why not? We gotta have options. So I already made the strap for this next one that we're gonna make. We're gonna make a 7x7, and I'm using the 9-inch strap for that. So I already made it. So the same process for the strap is the same process for this. Placement step. Then you add your backing and your vinyl over the placement lines and then stitch. That's it. It's 2 steps on the machine. This I think has 3 or 4 steps, and we will go through them all right now. So let's get started. I have the 7x7 in my machine. I'm going to run a placement step, and then I'll show you what we do after that. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the placement step. The next step on the machine is going to be a square. So you want to take your vinyl and place it over the entire placement step, and you can put your backing on now if you want. I'm going to do that. It's just a square for the center. It's going to help hold the shape better and provide a little stability with the design a little bit. So that's why the square is there. You can run it if you want. You don't have to run it, but that's what I'm going to do. So on the back side of your hoop, you can place your lining if you want, and then your vinyl all over the placement step and run this square. I'll be right back. So I just ran the little square there. There's the back. So the next step is going to secure all the layers together, and then we'll be almost finished. I will be right back. Okay, that's all done. That's it. The last step on the machine is going to give you little placements where you can put your rivets or tabs or whatever. You don't have to run that because you might not want your basket like this. You might want it a little up higher or something. I don't know. I'm going to run them to show you what it looks like, but you don't have to use those. You can have a flatter basket or a higher up basket. That's going to be up to you. So I'm going to run those. I'll be right back. Okay, all done. See the little marks for that? So now you just want to remove from your hoop and remove your stabilizer, trim all around, and put your snaps in. I'll show you how to do a couple of them, but I think you guys get the idea. But it'll be a cute little basket. So Let me clean it up and trim it. Okay, all trimmed out and ready to go. So now what you want to do is just take and line up your placements, and you can add your snaps. I'm going to do this one with rivets, but I'm just going to show you what I do for the snaps. When you do your snaps, be sure that they're opposite from one another. So like the one on the front, I always put them all the same. So you go that way from the front, and then on the back, on the next one, the very next one over, you put it on the tab on the back side, and then grab the female piece and put it right there. So when they snap together, they snap together. So I made the mistake of putting them backwards the other day. I had to drill them out and start over. And then I decided to use rivets. So I'm going to use rivets for these. Same process. You put your little rivets in. Like so. I have a rivet press, and I will press the rivets together. So I'm going to go all the way around and just kind of line everything up. And like I said, you don't have to do these if you don't want to, because where they're at now, it's going to be kind of an open little basket, but you might want it a little tighter. So you can put them any way you want, however you want your basket. So that's what I was trying to say. Those don't look like those line up. So I'm gonna have to look at the the files. See, I do make mistakes. I am human. Or I didn't cut it long enough. Yep, it's definitely different. I will fix that in the files before I upload those. But oh, look, that one works. So I'm gonna add my rivets, and I'll be right back. Okay, I added my rivets. It's cute, huh? Cute little basket. And I don't think I'm gonna put a handle on this one. I don't really want to, because I have 3 other baskets with handles. But you want to put your snaps in here. You can put the handle on the inside if you want, or the outside. It's just whatever you want to do. Removable or permanent. Let's see, I don't know. They're just cute little baskets, and you're gonna get, I think 5 sizes is what I have. 5 by 5 up to the 9 by 9. If I made a 4 by 4, it would be so super tiny. Might try it though. We'll see. Anyways, easy peasy. Thanks for watching.